Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Free Public Bharat. India wants to glow. I am Hardnab Goswami. Welcome to the debate tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Let me come to the most burning question of the hour. Who released my WhatsApp chats, ladies and gentlemen? What is going on in this country? I really need to know. I think it's Mark Zuckerberg. He knows I'm coming for him. I am coming for him, ladies and gentlemen. The nation wants to know how the nation is going to glow. But enough about me and my media team, ladies and gentlemen. That is my media team's job to talk about me. I will talk about tonight's debate, and that is how the nation is going to glow, ladies and gentlemen. That is the question that we need answered, and the country needs to know what's going to take for the country to glow. On the panel tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Vardhaman Jain, the product manager. इनके हाथ से प्राइजेस निकालना इतना मुश्किल है जितना एक मारवाड़ी के हाथ से पैसे निकालना। इनके हाथ से प्राइजेस निकालना इतना मुश्किल है जितना तुषार कपूर के हाथ से एक सोलो हिट निकालना। It means impossible, ladies and gentlemen, but we still welcome you on the show. Welcome, Vardhaman. Next up on the panel, ladies and gentlemen, we have Animesh Mehta, the channel partner. Animesh Bhai for short. अनिमेश भाई को प्राइजेस की इतनी प्रॉब्लम होती है, अगर इनको फ्री में भी प्रोडक्ट दे दो, ये कहते हैं टैक्स का नुकसान होगा, कहां से भरेंगे भाई? अनिमेश भाई को इतनी प्रॉब्लम होती है प्राइजेस से, रात को सोते हुए अगर इनकी बीवी इनको उठा देती है, ये बोलते हैं ठीक लगा लो। Anyways, Animesh bhai, welcome to the show. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, on the panel discussion tonight, we have the sales executive Rahul Radhakrishnan. ये वो बेचारी भटकती आत्मा है, ladies and gentlemen, जो चैनल पार्टनर्स और मार्केटिंग के बीच में पिसिंग इतना प्रेशर है कि कभी भी तेल निकल सकता है. In terms of talking about the talent, ladies and gentlemen, he sold everything except for hair trimmer to Anil Kapoor and beard oil to Tiger Shroff. Rahul, coincidentally, your first name is coincidental to my favorite stand-up comedian, Rahul Andhi. Welcome to the show, brother. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are on to the debate of tonight with everybody out here on the panel. Let me straight away dive into the first question, the burning question, ladies and gentlemen. The nation wants to glow. How it's going to happen, ladies and gentlemen? Why we are not able to go to the small towns, the smaller cities, the smaller municipal corporations? What is it going to take for the country to glow, ladies and gentlemen? I really need to know. Do we not deserve, ladies and gentlemen, to be glowing? Do we not deserve, ladies and gentlemen, to go ahead? Animesh, you need to answer. Let us know, Animesh.
एक पल के लिए तो मैं सोच बैठा था कि ये तो सिग्निफाई का वेबिनार है जहां पे हमें सिर्फ सुनना होगा। तो मेरा ये कहना है अर्नब कि ये लोग ग्रोथ करते रहते हैं यार, ये बिग बैंग क्या है, ग्रोथ क्या है? आज की डेट में ना हमारे पास प्राइस है, ना हमारे पास सही प्रोडक्ट है इन छोटे ब्रांड से compete करने के लिए। कैसे ग्रोथ करेंगे अर्नब? ये मुझे तो सच में ना हंसी आती है इन लोगों पे यार, सच में हंसी आती है।
Animesh bhai, we are not here to listen to your laughter. This is no laughing matter. This is a very serious business. Let me get to Rahul right now. Rahul, your job is to help Animesh bhai glow. He is mocking you on national television. I repeat, he is mocking you on national television. What do you have to say about it? Do you like being mocked on the national television? Answer, Rahul. Answer me right now. The nation wants to know.
अर्नब, मेरी सिचुएशन बहुत सैड है। मेरे को योगेश बॉस से बहुत ज्यादा सेल्स का प्रेशर है। मैं चाहता हूं अनिमेश भाई का सेल हो, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है कि मैं जब प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर के पास प्राइस मांगता हुआ जाता हूं तो मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलता है। मैं प्राइस पूछता रहता हूं, कुछ नहीं होता है। इतनी सिचुएशन खराब है कि मेरे सपनों में प्राइस आ रहा है, मैं दूध वाले से तक प्राइस मांग रहा हूं।
There is nothing wrong in being laughed at, Rahul. Let me remind you this. You need to take a cue from my dear friend Rangana. Everybody is laughing on her. The whole nation is laughing on her. But she is going on doing her job. You need to take cues from Rangana. Rahul, you need to let us know and rise to the occasion, Rahul.
अर्नब, जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं हम उन प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम कर रहे हैं, बट हमें मार्केट को और खींचना है, हमें मार्केट में बढ़ना है। उसके लिए हमें एग्रेसिव प्राइसिंग चाहिए मार्केट में, वो कहां से आएंगे?
Thank you, Rahul, for that wonderful answer. Now I come to you, Mr. Product Manager. Can you respond to that? Can you?
So thanks, Arnav, for finally letting me in. And let me tell you that all of us here in the marketing team are fully aware of the kind of challenges that our team and the channel partners are facing in the market there on the field. And I would also like to really appreciate you for having taken up this topic here for this debate show tonight.
Don't patronize me. If you think you'll patronize me, I'll go easy on you. Huh? I only do that for cash. Ami cash lebo. This is not some other channel. This is Free Public Bharat.
So let me talk about a few fundamentals here.
I will not allow this on my debate. No fundamentalism on Free Public Bharat. This is a secular democracy. Let me remind you that. And we have the right to speak. Vardhaman, you go next.
So Arnab, I very much have the answer, but for that you have to let me answer. Right. So I think what is important for everyone here on the show to understand is how does the marketing strategy work. Right. So what we do here is that we segment the entire market into various segments. We pick up who our target audience is from these segments, and then it is based on this target audience that we build our entire 4-piece strategy. So which is, you know, the essence of the product, the price which is getting offered to the market, how is it going to be promoted, and how is it going to be distributed in the market.
No. You are starting to make sense now. Therefore, I am forced to mute you. We'll move on. This is not a marketing debate. We've already heard Philip Kotler. You were once a salesman yourself. Have you forgotten your time? Animesh bhai, answer me. Answer me right now.
अर्नब, यही तो इशू है ना यार, हम प्राइस मांगते रहते हैं और ये लोग हमें ज्ञान देते रहते हैं, इसीलिए तो मुझे हंसी आती है इन लोगों पे यार.
No, Mr. Animesh, no. This is not Kapil Sharma show. This is the big debate tonight. You need to answer. Can you answer? Can you answer me? Go ahead. Can you answer me now?
Hey, so Nimish bhai, I think your concern is very valid. पर यहाँ पे इशू ये है कि ये फंडामेंटल तो मुझे समझाने देंगे नहीं, तो मैं आपको एक छोटा सा उदाहरण लेके जो है समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. मेरे बॉस हैं मिस्टर मुनीश पेशिन, तो वो इस टाइम पे फिटनेस रेजिम पे हैं. उन्होंने जो है अपनी लाइफ में ऑब्जेक्टिव लिया है 15 किलो वजन कम करने का. रोज सुबह 5 किलोमीटर जॉगिंग करके आते हैं, लेकिन शाम होती नहीं है और मुझे बुला लेते हैं कि यार समोसे खाने का मन कर रहा है, 2-4 समोसे ऑर्डर कर दे. अब मुझे ये बताओ कि वजन अगर आपको कम करना है, समोसे खा के वजन कैसे कम होगा? अगर वजन कम करना है तो ओट्स खाओ, मखाने खाओ, तब जाके वजन कम होगा. बिल्कुल उसी तरह से निमेश भाई, ग्रोथ है, ये आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव है, और जो प्राइस है वो समोसा है. तो प्राइस मांगोगे, ग्रोथ नहीं होने वाली है.
This is not a cookery show. What are you on about samosa? Enough of this samosa business. The only mockery that can happen on this show can be done by me. You see, all the farmers, they are protesting day in, day out, standing and sitting in the cold. What are they talking about? What are they fighting about? They have clear objectives. Animesh bhai, you need to give me your clear objectives now. Animesh bhai, answer me.
अर्नब, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है ना यार, जब मैं वड़ा पाव मांग रहा हूँ तो ये लोग क्यों मुझे समोसा दे रहे हैं? मेरा पेट 8 रुपए का वड़ा पाव में भर जाता है, मैं क्यों 16 रुपए का समोसा खाऊं? यही तो नेशन वांट्स टू नो है यार.
अर्नब, अनिमेश भाई एकदम करेक्ट बोल रहे हैं. ये कस्टमर की बात है. जिस कस्टमर को वड़ा पाव चाहिए उसे वड़ा पाव दो, जिस कस्टमर को समोसा चाहिए उसको समोसा दो.
I agree with Rahul. For the first time in my 23 years of journalism, for the first time I'm agreeing with one of my panelists. You on the national television have to tell us, commit to us, what it's going to take for the nation to glow. What is the way forward? Answer me. Answer me right now.
So Arnab, that's what I've been trying to explain, but I mean, what happens every time on your show, I'm just being cut off by you. And you know, अनिमेश भाई भी जो बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, राहुल भी जो बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है, मैं यही बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि हलवाई जो है वो समोसा बनाता है, वो वड़ा पाव नहीं बनाता है. वड़ा पाव मिलता है ठेले पर. But anyways, I think there's no point debating here. There's no point keeping a point here, because like all your debates, this one is also equally pointless and I would say inconclusive. So I think I would walk out of here. वैसे भी मेरे बॉस का समोसा जो है वो ऑर्डर करना है मुझे. अरे वो समोसा ऑर्डर हुआ क्या?
How dare you? How dare you call my debates pointless? This is blasphemous. This is not going to be taken. The voice of free press is being suppressed. I will not allow this on my show. This is not going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you this. मुझे कप्स दो, मुझे कप्स दो, मुझे चाय दो, मुझे कॉफी दो, मुझे कप्स दो, मुझे कप्स दो. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you this. If we do not get the answer from the product manager, we are going to take this all the way up to the CEO. We'll get the answer. We will know how India is going to glow, and we'll hold him accountable to every single word that he promises to us. Till then, take care. Good night. This is Harnav Goswami signing off.